Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to stop Google Photos backup on your iPhone. You have to start by open Google Photos application, and now you need to click on your profile at the right top. And right here we have backup. So to enter backup settings we have a few options. Firstly, you can click right here at the backup, or you can go to Google Photo settings at the bottom, and right here at the top we have a backup. So you tap on it and we have the same menu. Now to disable backups, you need to click at the slider near to the backup. If the slider have colorful background, it means that it's enabled, and you just tap on it one time. If this slider is have empty background, it means that it's disabled. So if you need to enable it, you also tap on it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.